Hello student, in this topic we want to study the units of a rate and the rate constant K. What is mean by rate? In our first lecture we have been studied about the rate. Rate means the change in concentration of a reactant or a product per unit time interval, and generally concentration expressed in a mole per dm cube upon time, or we can say mole per liter upon time. So what is the unit of rate? That is the mole per dm cube per time inverse या फिर per time, or we can say time inverse. The unit of a rate, that is the mole per dm cube time inverse, that is called a rate. Here time t can be expressed in terms of a second, minute, hours, etc. depending on the unit of a rate constant K. Now what is the unit of a rate constant? The unit of a rate constant K depends on the order of reaction. That is, if the n be the order of reaction, then what is the unit of a rate constant? Generally the unit of a rate constant expressed like that, mole per dm cube या फिर mole per liter 1 minus n and time inverse, where n is called a order of reaction. By using this you can calculate the unit of a rate constant K. Suppose for a zero order reaction, suppose n equal to 0, the for a zero order reaction what is the unit of a K? K equal to क्या आएगा फिर 1 minus 0 and a mole per dm cube time inverse. This is the unit of a rate constant K when n equal to 0, or we can say for a zero order reaction. For a first order reaction, what is the unit of a K? That is the K equal to 1 minus 1 0, or raised to the power this 0, that is equal to 1. So unit equal to time inverse only. So here the unit of a first order reaction, that is the time inverse only. What about second order? Again K equal to, that is the mole per dm cube 1 minus n, that is equal to minus 1 time inverse, या फिर we can say that is the 1 upon mole per dm cube time, या फिर we can say dm cube divided by mole into time. By using any one unit you can express the unit of a second order reaction, just like to for a third order reaction, or just like to the fractional order. By using this formula you can calculate the unit of a rate constant K. Rate has a fixed unit, that is the change in concentration with respect to time, that is mole per dm cube time inverse. This is the unit of a rate. But unit of a rate depends on, unit of a rate constant depends on the order of reaction. If the order of reaction change, then the unit of a rate constant also change. The very important concerning which CET and NEET, the unit of a rate and the unit of a rate constant for the zero order reaction are same. तो दोनों के लिए यूनिट सेम रहेगा, that is the unit of a rate and unit of a rate constant for the zero order reaction, just like to this. Okay.